What is up, YouTube? Are you tired of the same old unprofitable Forex strategies? Well, get ready to have your mind blown with my brand new, very simple, amazing strategy, the Aardvark. The Aardvark is a simple trend scalping strategy that's going to get you nice entries like this. Some of them, if you have proper trailing stop loss, will really run your bag up. All right. So look, sit back, relax. I'm going to explain this to you. And then when you're done watching the entire video, you can come join my Discord where you can download a 19-page explainer PDF as well as get the 100% free trading view indicator. Okay. First thing is I just want to show you guys, this is the PDF that we have made. And the first thing that we need to say for this whole video is that, this is all the trading is your choice. We don't have anything to do with your trading. We're just simply showing you how we trade, and you need to be your own person. All right, whatever. So simple PDF. It answers some questions for you. It breaks it down. Essentially, this is what the indicator looks like. It's going to give you this range filter line here. That's going to be green in an uptrend, red in a downtrend, and gray when there is no situation going on. You don't want to trade inside the bands at all. You're going to get these background highlights whenever the trend changes colors. Okay, and when there's a lot of trend color changes, that means that you're in consolidation. All right, you're going to get this signal here to buy or sell. This is what an entry would look like. You would come to the swing high, swing low, but this is where obviously I have my own take on it. And yeah, so whatever, real simple. Let's just go ahead and break into it because it's easier to explain this way. So I trade from 9:30 until 12:30, and I'll pull the charts up around 9. I included some pre-market trades if you guys were on there early. Real simple. We can just zoom in and take a look. So you can see it went green, meaning that we're bullish. And you can see we got a buy signal here. Okay, so you enter at the top of that buy signal. And then theoretically, you want to enter or set your stop loss the nearest swing low. The exception to that is if it's a big candle like this, I might set it just like right here. This is a kind of a far swing low. It's not too bad. It's 22 points. So, and this, I guess I would take it. And then you have a 1, 2, 5 risk reward, and you'll see it takes a little bit, but it does get it all the way over here. And then also when the market opens, a lot of times you can see when it'll break this kind of level here, it indicated a buy. You would have entered that 1.5. The swing low is all the way down here. Again, I probably would have set it like right here. And my 1.5 would have been whatever, right here. You'll see, obviously. So those are those. That's 2 wins there. But let's say you didn't get into those because your rules are that you start trading at 9:30 like me. Then you'd be waiting, and then here comes your first opportunity. And you can see this swing low is 62 points. That's not something that you would do. So you have to use your brain a little bit. I'm going to set it right here at this swing low, which is true. At least that's like a point of, I believe, where I would put mine. So then you'll see you go for 1 to 5 on the dot, 1 to 5. There you go. And it would go up and down for a little bit, but eventually you would get there and you get knocked out right here. And as soon as you get out of this trade, you'd actually get this indicator for another trade. And again, for this one here, I would be setting my swing low, probably my stop loss right below these candles or this doji. And you can see it actually gets 1 to 1. So I would have gone break even here. Hopefully all of you would have gone break even here. The rule is when you get to 1R, you go break even. So this would have been a quick one, but it would have been break even, and that would have been that. You would have moved on, and there would have been no opportunities for the rest of the day. Here's 12:30. So you would have ended the day essentially 1.5R, which is not a bad day. Let's say you wanted to trade an extra hour, you would have gotten 2 more opportunities that likely would have been losses. Here, obviously you lose. Here, obviously you lose. So, and then that would be 2 more losses. And if you were to keep going, you would get to this trend change and you would enter a sell. That one would provide you pretty good there, depending on where you entered. If your stop loss was here, if your stop loss was here, you really could have wrote it down. Additionally, you wait a little bit longer, you're going to get one more opportunity, and you're going to see that one played out pretty well as well. And then this is the current one that we're in right now. So if you were to zoom out, obviously, like I had it for the day, you would have caught, 3R, 4.5R, and then you would have lost 2. You would have done a 2.5R, 3, 4R, 5.5R, and then whatever's going now. If you were trading within just New York session, you would have gotten 1.5R, and if you would have traded New York and plus an hour, you get the point. You can do the math here, but so that's the strategy. The indicator gives you everything. I will drop a second video on like a more in-depth version, but essentially the breakdown is when you see a signal, whatever, this one here, you see a signal, you're going to enter at the top, you're going for 1.5, and you want to set this at a swing low. If the swing low is pretty far, use your brain, maybe come to another little liquidity area like this right here. For me, I would go there and whatever, 1.5. The thing about the strategy is you need to practice it, truly and try it every day, because some days are going to be losing days and some days are going to be winning days. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed that strategy. I try to break it down quick. There's going to be a second video explaining it further. This is just the first video that I'm making on the Aardvark strategy. So, it's my first time trying to explain it to you guys, and hopefully the next time will be better. So thank you all for watching. I hope you guys like it, enjoy it, subscribe, comment, join the Discord, and I'll see you guys next time.